Hi, this is Linda, and welcome to the English Life Podcast. Today, let's talk about your morning. We will go through a normal morning, step by step, in simple English. You can just listen, or you can read the text and speak with me if you want. This is called shadowing. Shadowing means you hear a sentence and you say it too. At the end, we will review some useful sentences together. Okay, let's begin. Let's talk about a normal morning. I usually wake up at about 6:30 in the morning. Sometimes I set an alarm. Sometimes I wake up naturally before the alarm rings. When the alarm rings, I don't jump out of bed right away. I open my eyes slowly. I take a deep breath, and I stay in bed for one more minute. Alarm means the sound that tells you it is time to wake up. I don't check my phone first thing in the morning. First thing means the very first action you do. Many people pick up their phone as soon as they wake up. I try not to do that. When you look at your phone right away, your mind becomes busy and noisy. Your day feels fast from the first minute. So I keep my phone away for a few minutes. Instead, I just think. I think about the day ahead. Day ahead means the day that is coming today. I ask myself, what do I need to do today? What is important today? Then I get up. I sit on the side of the bed and I stretch my arms and my back. It feels good after sleeping all night. After that, I walk to the window and open the curtains. I like to see the sunlight. Natural light tells your body, it's morning, time to wake up. So even on a cold day, I open the curtains and let the light in. After I open the curtains, I go to the bathroom. First, I wash my face with cold water. Cold water in the morning is amazing for me. It wakes me up completely. My eyes feel open. My skin feels fresh. Fresh means clean, cool, and new. Then I brush my teeth. I brush for about 2 minutes. I don't rush. Rush means to move too fast. Clean teeth make me feel ready for the day. Sometimes I look at myself in the mirror and I say, "Good morning." It sounds a little funny talking to yourself, but it makes me smile, and a small smile in the morning is a good start. After the bathroom, I go to the kitchen. The first thing I do there is drink a glass of water. This is very important. When you sleep, you don't drink water for many hours. So your body is a little thirsty in the morning. 1 glass of water helps you feel awake, and it helps your body wake up too. Now, let's talk about breakfast. For breakfast, I usually keep things simple. I don't make anything complicated in the morning. Complicated means not simple, with many steps. Some days I make scrambled eggs and toast. I love eggs because they keep me full for a long time. Full means you don't feel hungry. Other days I have oatmeal with some fruit. Maybe a banana, maybe some berries. Oatmeal is warm and healthy, and it's easy to make. On busy mornings, when I am in a hurry, I just have coffee and a banana. That's it. Quick and simple. While I eat, I try to sit down. I don't eat while standing or walking around the house. I think it is better to sit, relax, and enjoy your food. Even if it is only 5 minutes, those 5 minutes are calm. Sometimes I listen to music while I eat. Sometimes I listen to a podcast, like this one. But I try not to watch TV and not to scroll through social media in the morning. Scroll means to move your finger on the screen and look at many posts, one after another. Why do I avoid this? Because I want my morning to feel calm and slow. Social media makes my mind fast and busy, and I don't want that feeling so early in the day. After breakfast, it's time to get ready. First, I take a shower. I prefer warm water, not too hot, not too cold. A warm shower in the morning helps me feel fresh, clean, and ready. After the shower, I get dressed. Here's a small tip. I usually choose my clothes the night before. I decide what to wear before I go to sleep. Tip means a small piece of advice to help you. Why do I do this? Because in the morning, I don't want to think too much. When my clothes are ready, I save time and I save energy. I don't stand in front of my closet, confused, asking, "What should I wear today?" Then, before I leave, I check my bag. I ask myself 3 questions. Do I have my phone? Do I have my keys? Do I have my wallet? Phone, keys, wallet. These 3 things. I always check them before I leave home. There is nothing worse than arriving at work and saying, "Oh no, I forgot my keys." Now, I am ready to start my day. Some mornings I go straight to work. Straight to work means I go to work immediately without doing anything else. Other mornings I go to the gym first and then to work. It depends on my schedule and how I feel. On gym days, I do some light exercise. Maybe I walk, maybe I lift some weights, maybe I just stretch. Exercise in the morning gives me energy for the whole day. But no matter what kind of day it is, I try to leave home with a positive mindset. Mindset means the way you think about things. Before I open the door, I take one more deep breath, and I tell myself, "Today will be a good day." It is a simple sentence, but words are powerful. When you start your morning with a positive thought, your whole day feels lighter. Now, I want to be honest with you. My morning is not perfect every day. Some mornings I wake up late. Some mornings I am tired, I skip breakfast, and I rush out the door. That's normal. That's life. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to have a few small habits that help you feel good. Habit means something you do often, again and again. Maybe for you, it is just drinking a glass of water. Maybe it is making your bed. Maybe it is 5 minutes of quiet time. You don't need 10 habits. 1 or 2 good habits done every day are enough. Small things, repeated every day, become powerful. So don't worry about a perfect morning. Just try to make your morning a little calmer and a little kinder to yourself. Now, let's review some useful sentences from this episode. You can listen, and if you want, you can say them with me. I don't check my phone first thing in the morning. Natural light tells your body it's morning. Cold water helps me wake up completely. For breakfast, I keep things simple. I listen to music or a podcast, not social media. I choose my clothes the night before. Phone, keys, wallet. I always check them before I leave. Exercise in the morning gives me energy for the whole day. Today will be a good day. So, that's one normal morning, step by step, slow and calm. Now I have a question for you. What is the first thing you do in the morning? Do you check your phone? Do you drink coffee? Do you exercise? You can write your answer in the comments in English. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Just try. And remember, practice makes progress. A little bit every day is better than a lot once a week. Thank you so much for listening today. If this episode helps you, you can listen again tomorrow. The second time is always easier than the first. Take care, and I'll see you in the next episode of the English Life podcast. Goodbye.